Don't forget to subscribe, comment, thank you. Since 2016, the Macan SUV has held the title of Porsche's best-selling vehicle. And for the 2024 model year, it welcomes a new all-electric variant to its lineup. While it retains the Macan name, the 2024 Macan EV is built on a fresh platform that will also serve as the foundation for the forthcoming Audi A6 e-tron. The Macan EV boasts a dual-motor powertrain, with the top-level turbo model producing an impressive 630 horsepower, ensuring rapid acceleration that lives up to Porsche's performance standards. The Macan EV is designed to offer significantly greater range compared to Porsche's first electric vehicle, the Taycan, which has a maximum EPA-rated range of 246 miles per charge. One of the standout features of the Macan EV is its 800-volt electrical architecture, which allows for incredibly fast charging. According to Porsche, the Macan EV can charge from 10 to 80% in just 21 minutes when connected to a DC fast charger. In terms of driving dynamics, the Macan EV promises to deliver the same sporty performance as its gasoline-powered counterpart, which is reviewed separately. This ensures that even with an electric powertrain, the Macan EV will maintain the engaging driving experience that Porsche is known for. Initially, the Macan EV is expected to be sold alongside the traditional fuel-powered Macan, providing customers with a choice between electric and gasoline options. The exterior design of the Macan EV remains true to Porsche's aesthetic, featuring sleek lines and a modern aerodynamic profile. Inside, the cabin is expected to be outfitted with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. In summary, the 2024 Porsche Macan EV represents a significant step forward for the brand, combining its best-selling SUV's practicality and performance with the benefits of electric propulsion. With its impressive power, rapid charging capabilities, and anticipated longer range, the Macan EV is poised to set a new standard in the compact luxury crossover segment, appealing to both existing Porsche enthusiasts and new customers looking for a high-performance electric vehicle. Very much for your support. The 2024 Porsche Macan EV is an all-new model, distinguished from the existing gas-powered Macan by its electric platform, which it shares with Audi. This new electric architecture supports a fresh design that sets the Macan EV apart. Deliveries for this highly anticipated model will commence in the latter half of 2024. Pricing for the 2024 Porsche Macan EV starts at $8,450, with the top-end models reaching up to $106,950, depending on the chosen trim and options. While the turbo variant delivers an impressive 630 horsepower, the entry-level model, known as the Macan EV4, is expected to offer the longest driving range, making it a practical choice despite its 402 HP powertrain not matching the turbo's thrilling acceleration. Porsche's business model is known for providing a vast array of options, packages, paint colors, and wheel designs, allowing buyers to customize their Macan EV to their exact preferences. However, this extensive customization can significantly increase the vehicle's final price. While individual customization is a matter of personal choice and budget, we recommend opting for the premium package. This package enhances the driving experience with 14-way power-adjustable front seats, featuring heat and ventilation, heated rear seats, 4-zone automatic climate control, and a Bose stereo system. In conclusion, the 2024 Porsche Macan EV represents a major evolution in the Macan lineup, combining Porsche's renowned performance with cutting-edge electric technology. This new model is set to provide a compelling blend of power, range, and luxury, making it a strong contender in the growing electric SUV market. Both the Macan 4 EV and Turbo EV feature all-wheel drive, thanks to electric motors on each axle. The Macan 4 EV generates a maximum of 402 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, while the turbo model boosts performance to an impressive 630 HP and 833 pound-feet of torque. The Macan 4 EV achieves a top speed of 136 mph, whereas the turbo model reaches up to 161 mph. Both versions come equipped with air suspension and adaptive dampers. The turbo model further enhances handling with Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, an electronically controlled differential on the rear axle, making the crossover feel more agile on winding roads. Optional rear-wheel steering is available on the Macan EV, improving maneuverability. During a test drive in Europe, the Macan EV demonstrated impressive performance. Although the Macan 4 model's acceleration isn't exceptionally fast, the turbo model's additional power delivers the rapid thrust typical of high-performance EVs. Both models offer engaging handling, with the battery pack's low center of gravity providing a stable mid-corner feel. The steering is responsive and natural, and the optional rear-wheel steering system enhances the Macan EV's turning radius at low speeds and stability at higher speeds. Having had the opportunity to drive both versions of the Macan EV, we estimate that the turbo model will be able to reach 60 mph in a blistering 2.9 seconds, while the less powerful Macan 4 should accomplish this in approximately 4.7 seconds. We plan to update these performance figures with more precise data once we conduct official testing with our specialized equipment. The 2024 Macan EV is equipped with a robust 95.0 kWh battery and supports DC fast charging at speeds up to 270 kWh. This rapid charging capability allows the battery to charge from 10 to 80% in roughly 21 minutes, according to Porsche. The Macan EV's advanced 800-volt electrical system is key to these quick charging times. Additionally, it features an innovative system that splits the battery into two 400-volt units when connected to a 400-volt charger, enabling charging speeds up to 135 kWh. For home and other AC charging scenarios, the Macan EV can charge at rates up to 11 kWh. Porsche has not yet released official EPA range estimates. However, during our test drive of a prototype in California, we covered over 250 miles of highway driving and still had about 11% of the battery remaining. This suggests that the Macan EV could achieve an estimated range close to 300 miles per charge, demonstrating that it can combine high performance with impressive range. As of now, Porsche has not released official fuel economy figures for the 2024 Macan EV. This means that precise MPG, miles per gallon equivalent, ratings are still pending. Given the advanced technology and engineering that Porsche incorporates into its vehicles, expectations for the Macan EV's efficiency are high, especially considering the performance it promises. The absence of official numbers means we currently cannot provide detailed information on how the Macan EV compares to its competitors in terms of energy consumption and efficiency. However, based on Porsche's track record with electric vehicles, it's likely that the Macan EV will offer a competitive balance of range and performance. When we get the opportunity to conduct our own real-world fuel economy tests, we will provide comprehensive data and analysis. This will include how the Macan EV performs in various driving conditions and how closely it aligns with or surpasses the anticipated range estimates. Until then, potential buyers can look forward to a blend of Porsche's renowned driving dynamics and the efficiency expected from a cutting-edge electric vehicle. For those eager to learn more about the Macan EV's future fuel economy ratings, we recommend keeping an eye on updates from official sources. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, will eventually publish detailed MPG ratings for the Macan EV, which will offer a clearer picture of its efficiency. You can visit the EPA's website for the latest information and official updates as they become available. Interior features of the Macan EV, a blend of sustainability and practicality. Inside the Macan EV, Porsche has opted for a blend of sustainability and practicality, aiming to create a comfortable and eco-conscious environment for occupants. One notable feature is the integrated ambient lighting, which adds a touch of sophistication to the cabin ambiance. In line with growing environmental concerns, the Macan EV offers vegan-friendly leather-free seats, appealing to those who prefer cruelty-free alternatives. These seats are designed to provide comfort while aligning with ethical and environmental values. Additionally, Porsche has incorporated recycled materials throughout the interior, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. For example, the floor mats are crafted from regenerated nylon, contributing to the reduction of waste and environmental impact. While the Macan EV excels in its eco-friendly initiatives, some critics have noted that the interior lacks the level of luxury expected from a vehicle in its price range. Despite the premium positioning of the Macan EV, Some aspects of the interior design may not meet the expectations of discerning luxury car buyers. However, Porsche's focus on sustainability and practicality may resonate with environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize ethical considerations in their purchasing decisions. One advantage of the Macan EV's electric powertrain is the absence of a traditional engine under the hood. This layout creates additional storage space, enhancing the crossover's practicality. In addition to the 18 cubic foot rear cargo space, the Macan EV features an extra storage nook in the front, offering a claimed capacity of 2.9 cubic feet. When the rear seats are folded down, Porsche states that the rear cargo area expands significantly to accommodate larger items, boasting a total capacity of 46.5 cubic feet. Overall, while the interior of the Macan EV may not boast the lavishness expected from a luxury vehicle, its sustainable materials and practical design elements contribute to a comfortable and versatile driving experience. As consumer preferences continue to shift towards sustainability, the Macan EV's eco-conscious features may appeal to a growing segment of environmentally aware drivers. Porsche has equipped the Macan EV with state-of-the-art infotainment and connectivity technologies, enhancing the driving experience with an array of innovative features. At the heart of the Macan EV's tech suite is a sophisticated 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster, providing drivers with comprehensive vehicle information at a glance. This high-resolution display offers customizable layouts, allowing drivers to tailor the information displayed to their preferences and driving conditions. Complementing the digital instrument cluster is a sizable 10.9-inch central touchscreen, serving as the command center for the vehicle's infotainment system. From navigation and multimedia playback to vehicle settings and climate control, the touchscreen provides intuitive access to a wide range of functions. Additionally, Porsche offers an optional second 10.9-inch display positioned in front of the passenger, allowing them to enjoy video content while on the move, an indulgent feature for long journeys. One of the standout features of the Macan EV's infotainment system is its advanced head-up display, HUD, which employs augmented reality technology to enhance the driver's situational awareness. By overlaying navigation instructions, speed limits, and other essential information onto the driver's view of the road ahead, the HUD provides a seamless and immersive driving experience. This augmented reality feature ensures that crucial information is presented in a clear and unobtrusive manner, minimizing distractions and enhancing safety. In terms of connectivity, the Macan EV offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, allowing iPhone users to access their favorite apps, music, and messages directly from the vehicle's touchscreen interface. Additionally, the Macan EV features a sophisticated voice assistant, activated simply by saying, "Hey Porsche." This intuitive voice recognition system enables drivers to perform various tasks hands-free, from adjusting the climate control to finding nearby charging stations. Overall, the Macan EV's infotainment and connectivity features represent the pinnacle of automotive technology, combining cutting-edge displays, augmented reality HUD, and seamless smartphone integration to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. With these advanced technologies at their fingertips, drivers and passengers alike can stay connected, informed, and entertained on every journey. While Porsche has yet to disclose the full suite of safety and driver assistance features for the Macan EV, we anticipate a robust array of technologies to enhance driver confidence and vehicle safety. Key safety features are expected to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, ensuring quick and effective braking in potential collision scenarios. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, providing alerts and corrective steering inputs to help prevent unintentional lane drift. Available adaptive cruise control, allowing for a more relaxed driving experience by automatically adjusting vehicle speed to maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. Porsche's commitment to safety extends beyond active safety technologies to comprehensive warranty coverage, offering peace of mind for Macan EV owners. The warranty plan for the Macan EV includes a limited warranty covering 4 years or 50,000 miles, providing protection against defects in materials and workmanship, a powertrain warranty extending to 8 years or 100,000 miles, safeguarding the Macan EV's critical drivetrain components. However, it's important to note that coverage of the Macan EV's electrical components is capped at 8 years or 100,000 miles, which is in contrast to Tesla's unlimited mileage warranty for the same duration. While Porsche's warranty coverage is competitive within the luxury EV segment, it's worth considering the specifics of the electrical component coverage, especially for those planning to keep their Macan EV for an extended period. In summary, the Macan EV is poised to deliver not only exceptional performance and driving dynamics, but also advanced safety features and comprehensive warranty protection, ensuring a rewarding ownership experience for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. Thank you very much for your support.